In the heart of your restaurant's kitchen, there's a culinary superstar that's about to revolutionize your cooking game. This is the L812 electric two-sided grill. Starting with 3 separately controlled cooking zones, each zone boasts 3 independent heating elements and lightning-fast recovery times. The L812 is so intelligent that it recalibrates itself daily, ensuring precise and consistent cooking temperatures across the entire surface. Cooking perfection has never been this effortless. Ready to step into the future of culinary experience? The L812 electric two-sided grill is a kitchen powerhouse that's going to elevate your cooking game to the next level. It's the recipe for your culinary success. Visit taylor-company.com or call your distributor today to learn more about the extraordinary Taylor L812 electric two-sided grill. Taylor, good things start here.